Hi everyone, here we've got POCO X3 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down and tap on additional settings. Now we have to scroll down again, and as you can see here, we've got developer options, so let's enter. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries. All you have to do is simply find our tutorial of how to enable developer options, how to activate them, and after following all shown instructions, simply go back to this video. So since you are in the developer options, all you have to do, is simply find the option automatic system updates. Right now they are turned off. If you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switch right here, and from now on, since this option is activated, your device will apply updates when it will be restarted. Obviously you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on this switcher. So actually that's all. This is how to activate the automatic system updates in your POCO X3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.